Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I want to show you how I made these amazing pretzels. For the dough I need 500 grams of flour. This is flour. This one is fresh yeast that I kept in the freezer, took out and let it at room temp for a few hours, but you can use dry yeast as well. 10 grams of salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 30 grams of salt butter, and of course I will need some apple cider or beer, 300 milliliters of this one. I will add sugar without any other liquid, so you will see how the yeast will start to feed with the sugar and become liquid in no time. I will mix this a bit with sugar. So without any liquid, look at this, it's magic, it's magic. Look here, okay, look here, liquid. Magic! I'm a wizard. Okay, I'll add here yeast with sugar. I will add apple cider thing here. I don't know how to open these ones. So not all of it, because this one has 330 milliliters. So I will save a bit. And I need a hook and start kneading these. I will start kneading the dough. I didn't add all the flour in the bowl. I will knead the dough for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, I will also add the soft butter in this, because it's going to give such a nice flavor to these pretzels. I'm also going to add the rest of the apple cider, because I only have in that can about 30 milliliters, so I will add 1 more tablespoon of flour, and I don't want to throw it away. So start kneading all of these. Add gradually the rest of the flour and also salt, and continue to knead the dough for about 10 minutes. It's going to be a soft and sticky dough, but that's fine. This is how it is supposed to be. I'll put the dough on the working surface. Even if I knead it with mixer, I still wanna knead it by hand a bit. Look how nice. Look how nice this is with apple cider. I think it's the first time I'm using apple cider. I used beer before, but first time I'm using apple cider. Why not? But really nice though. Really nice. But I didn't keep the apple cider in the fridge, so it was at room temp. Keep in mind, let it rise. I put the dough here on my table. Guys, this is so nice. Honestly, really nice dough with apple cider. Ooh, 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 ooh. Fancy me. So I have to split this in 8 parts. I need to split this in 8 parts. Okay, this one is really tiny. So this one is the biggest, I can feel it. Appreciate. So this one is dough for pretzel that I made earlier with flour, salt, fresh yeast, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 230 milliliters of apple cider. So I knead it well and looks amazing. I will need a tray and I will need some baking paper in here. Okay. All of these, I'm going to shape them up, like playing with dough, with plastiline. I don't know how you call these. So just try to roll them up in a long string. The dough is kind of sticky. Maybe I should use a bit of flour. Yeah, the dough is kind of sticky. So a bit of flour maybe will help, yes. See, you need to roll them up a bit. In the meantime, make sure to preheat the oven at 220 Celsius or 428 Fahrenheit. So I should move this one so I can show you better. So I will cover more with flour. Okay, let's roll this up. So the dough was kind of too sticky. I want the ends to be thinner than the middle here. So take it and in the tray here, so one liter and a half of water here, and it's cold right now. I will add this baking soda over it, and I'll just give it a stir. And put this on the stove. So only 4 of these pretzels I'm going to have in each tray because they're getting bigger and I don't want them to, you know, unite. Okay, let's start. Placing pretzels in hot boiling water in which I have that baking soda. So I will use this one. You can use your hands. Just place them here. Maybe with my hands they're going to start looking better. Make sure not to burn yourself. Why do you put baking soda in the water? The baking soda will make the dough at baking get a nicer color, and outside they will be crispy, inside fluffy, but mainly this baking soda is going to give that color to pretzels, that brownish amazing colors. So with the same hot water, just brush the pretzels. 2 of them I'm not going to put any seeds on them because we are going to toast them in sugar and cinnamon at the end. Pretzels here, and brush them up with it and sprinkle poppy seeds or sesame seeds, depends what you prefer, or salt. You can use salt. I'm not that much of a fan of rocky salt on it. You're a chef. Okay, I will cut the dough around the pretzel just a tiny bit. And after you garnish it with seeds, poppy seeds, sesame or salt, make sure to bake them at 220 Celsius or 428 Fahrenheit until they're going to have a really nice brownish color. Super nice. Ooh, but they're hot, really hot. Ooh. And let them cool down. Let's try this one. Perfect. Perfect. Look at this one. Perfect. Thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate. Am I right? These are the pretzels. They look amazing. They taste delicious with a slight sweetness because of the apple cider, and they are so easy to prepare, and make sure to try them up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, find reasons to smile, and I see you here next time. Bye bye.